Hello everyone, welcome to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. I just thought to show this casting to you guys. This is my latest custom. So I just what I did was just change the wheels. So because this casting is wonderful casting on my Hot Wheels this year. I think the best casting they have done this year. So that's all the details, front grille, all the headlight and tail light, the tail light details, number plates, every single bit of details Hot Wheels has included for this one. So I just thought to change the wheels of this one. So this time I used a new type of wheels. So I bought these ones from eBay from a Chinese seller. These ones are better than the previous stuff. So it has a wheel, rubber tire wheel, and brake caliper and the rim, and you got two axles as well. So what you have to do is, according to this diagram, you have to just put some glue on this rim, insert the rim and the caliper, and then put them together in the rubber tire, and then fit into the axle. That's it. So it says we have to recommend the glue. We have to place glue over here, yes, otherwise it won't fit the what you call the rim trim and the rim. Yeah, this I recommend this model for you guys because it's cheap, not expensive, and it does its work, you know. So see, it's rolling because this, see, it's rolling. It's not super easy to roll, but it's rolling, and you can see if you check closely, unfortunately, according to the because of this design, you can't see the brake caliper, but otherwise if you closely check, see this rear one, you can see that red dot, that's the brake caliper, brake pad. So yeah, otherwise this is this brand is pretty good. I'll share the link below for you guys to to order from that seller. You know, this is not a promotion or anything. These wheels just looks good, looks great. I tried this with the with my Tomica Camry, but the axle was too long to fix this Camry. So I decided to use it on Hot Wheels, you know, Hot Wheels, this type of cars. And the wheel is perfect for the SUVs, not for the cars. So yep, so that's it. So this is my latest wheel swap car. So yep, thanks for watching, guys. I ordered few of those wheels, so I'll do a wheel swapping video, a wheel changing video soon. So as you all know, I just put it back in my card, so it's perfect. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys with another video soon. Bye.